By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a Shopify access token by using their dev dashboard. So if you send the request, you will get the access token along with the scope, right customer, right inventory, right order, right products, and expiry time. So let's see how we can do that in Shopify new dev dashboard. So go to your store and click on settings, and then go to the apps, and then click on develop apps and build apps in dev dashboard. Open this and create a new app over here. Name it anything. I will say access token, and create this app. Once the app is created, you need to define the scope. You can select the scope from here, and you can say products, read and write products, customers, read and write customers, and then we have inventory, read and write inventory. And if you would like to get the orders, you can select order, read and write, and then click on done, and all these scopes will be written here. You can write over here as well if you want. So you have two options. You can select them from here, or you can write them over here. After that, you will release this new version. You can name this version if you want, but in my case I will leave it empty, and it will create a new version of my app. So first version was access token 1, and now this is the active access token 2. Now go back to home and install this app, and select the store where you would like to install. In my case, I will select my wixop.my Shopify store, and you can see we have customer, product, order, view and edit store data. The app is asking for the permission. I am okay with that. Install this, and then once the app is installed, you need to generate the access token with the help of Postman. So go to the Postman and make a new request, and let me just copy and paste that over here. So I will explain you. You need to send the request at your store. So our store is wixop.my Shopify. So /admin/oauth/access token. This is the endpoint where you will be sending the post request along with some parameters. So let me copy the parameter. The first parameter is grant type, and you will add the key grant type, and the value would be client credentials, and the second is client ID, and the third is client secret. So from where you can get the client ID and client secret, go back to your app and click on the settings. From here you will see the client ID. Copy this client ID and paste that over here, and then copy the secrets and paste that over here. Now send the request, and you will be able to fetch the access token along with the scopes. So this is how you can generate the Shopify access token with their new dev dashboard. I hope this video makes sense to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.